If you want to cancel your Whop membership and you're not sure where to start, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll show you exactly how to find the business you joined, open the membership controls, and leave the community so your subscription is cancelled properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to videos just like this. Let's get into it. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because your joined businesses should be visible from the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of the businesses you've joined. Take a moment to look through that list and click on the business whose membership you want to leave. After you open the business, you'll land on that specific business's homepage. Now look at the very top of the screen. You should see the business name or a small down arrow right next to it. Click on that name or the arrow to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, select Manage Membership. This is where Whop gives you the options for controlling your access to that business. A membership settings window will appear, and from there you'll see the option to leave. Click Leave to cancel your subscription and permanently leave the community. Make sure you only do this if you're certain, because leaving means you'll no longer have access to that membership and its benefits. Once you confirm, your membership will be cancelled and your access will end. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Whop membership. If this walkthrough saved you time, please give it a like. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to check out the next video for more quick app guides.